A research project that could be on the brink of finding new treatments for several diseases is in its second phase at the University of Maine at Farmington. The study, funded by the National Science Foundation, focuses on the behavior of fish genes, very similar to those found in people.
And now students from area high schools can make discoveries alongside student researchers and scientists. News Center Maine's Vivian Lee shows us how.
This is so cool.
Whitney McIntyre is just a junior, but she already knows she wants to pursue a career in science and engineering. Whitney and other members of her biology class at Mount Blue High School tried out a cryostat machine that can rapidly freeze and slice tissue samples.
They will stick to the tissues really well.
Students from 4 area high schools are using the cutting-edge equipment under the watchful eye of University of Maine Farmington biology professor Tim Breton.
If I crank up the red, you can see the red showing up a little bit more in there.
In 2021, Breton discovered a new gene in the cell membrane of fish that had only been found in animals and people. Thanks to a more than $500,000 National Science Foundation grant, Breton and his team of UMF student research assistants are using new, powerful tools to study the behavior of these hormone receptors. Research that could provide new clues and potential treatment for some diseases, including diabetes, schizophrenia, and autism spectrum disorder.
And we're trying to figure out what that job is and what is the link, right, between all these different disorders.
High school students and biology teachers have been reviewing the data collected since the project began last fall.
Finding a treatment for schizophrenia, like that would be amazing, or even a cure for some of these disorders that these genes are linked to.
Lila Latham will attend UMF to become a nurse and plans to take several science classes.
It's kind of nice to have this experience before going in the fall.
UMF is working with the University of Florida, which sends fish samples treated with chemicals developed by European scientists. The different colors show where the genes are in the tissue and how many cells are in it. Breakthrough research giving high school and UMF students new skills and an edge in science-related careers.
Having students get these hands-on experiences that they can take with them into their future careers or future education.
Now, scientists are expected to apply for more grant money from the National Science Foundation as their research expands into new areas, including utilizing live fish and possibly lab animals in the future. In Farmington, Vivian Lee, News Center, Maine.
Now, the NSF grant will allow UMF to hire 12 student research assistants, 6 of whom are already working on the project.